Hi friends, and Happy New Year. It is 2022 and this year has started off challenging. I took some time off from vlogging so that I could fully be in tune with family and doing some things around family. We had 2 beautiful weeks off from work in December, and I loved every bit of it. And I am currently at home working because I have family members that are sick. Thankfully I am okay, but I am also trying to make sure that they are okay and that this journey can be put behind us. There are a few things that I've been itching to show you. I don't remember what vlog it was, but there was something that I showed you that I wanted to try to make because I couldn't find something, and I've been making them. So hopefully before this vlog is up, I can share that with you. I set up my new planner for 2022, and last week was such a whirlwind that I did not get to get in there and plan. So that's what I'm doing right now. But I did want to check in with you and post because it's been such a long time. I hope that you and your family are doing well and you're staying positive, and I pray that the beginning of 2022 for you is going well, and if you are even faced with a challenge, I pray that you successfully come out of it and that you're stronger than you were before your challenge became a part of your life. That's what I keep telling myself, and the best is yet to come. I have a patient calling me right now. Hold on, baby. So I will talk to you in just a moment.
Hi friends. Hi friends, it is now Tuesday and I missed a whole day of vlogging. As you can hear, I'm congested and I am now taking care of myself. I took care of the family and now it's me, but I did want to excuse me. I am just not feeling my best. But I did want to share with you what I made for my planner. These listers, or not this one specific, but I showed you in a previous vlog that I like to have a long lister in the back of my planner, and I use it for making lists and to-do lists. And I couldn't find the ones that I normally pick up from Dollar Tree. Well, I couldn't find the size that I wanted and the look that I was going for, so I decided to make my own, and I wanted to share that with you. I absolutely love how it turned out. I already had chipboard. I keep chipboard on hand because I do make notepads, but I ordered a coil binding machine, and the white coils, I like that. They're universal. They go with almost any design that I've made, and this is one design that I just made specific for my planner. And on the inside, I just created some lined pages, and I rounded the corners because I like that look for this one. So this is what I did want to share with you all, because I told you that I was going to try my best to make it, and I did, and this fits perfectly in my planner, and I am considering even adding these to my shop. I love how that fits. So I hope that that motivates you to you know, create the things that are not readily made available for you. You definitely can do it.
Hi friends, it is several days later from the last clip. That escalated very quickly. I definitely was sick, and today I actually feel like a human. There's still some remnants of sickness there, and I can breathe. I can go a few moments without coughing, but I actually feel much better than I did. Today I am, I know I have false energy. You know, when you're sick and you get like a wind of energy and you want to do all these things, and as soon as you start to attempt to do those things, you get sick, or not sick, but you get extremely tired. I know that that's one of the things that I'm experiencing. So instead of me trying to do so much, I've picked one, possibly two things that I would like to try to get done today, depending on how my stamina is. So I sent the husband, he's fine. I sent him out to get me a storage bin because I would like to, hold on. It was a cough. I would like to attempt to organize my nail essentials, meaning my fingernail essentials, before I'm sorry, I'm looking outside my window, but before I got sick, my nails are already horrible. And I sat down to do them here in my room, and it's embarrassing to see how I'm storing my nail things, and I'm going to show you that. And hopefully this evening, because I'm not going to give myself an hour to do it, I'm just going to start trying to organize the nail items in a storage system to place in my office at some point. I'll show you what I'm currently toting around for nail supplies. It's really embarrassing. Here it is right here. I have a cubed system in my office that was supposed to be for nails, and this is one of the bins. I have two of them. I guess the other one, oh, this is heavy. The other one is downstairs. So when I'm not doing my nails in my office and I come up to my room to do them, I just grab like the essentials. And as you can see, this is so jam-packed with stuff, and it's heavy, and there's no system to it. So I'm wanting to change that, and oh gosh, just have a better system. And this roller cart has some of my polishes in it. This is a foot stand, so if I'm sitting on the couch, you know, I am a mess, and I know it. It's okay, but I don't even want to open it up to show you what it does. And I just have some of my go-to polishes. Oh, and I got some new polishes in, and I just need to find a better system, because this is played out, and it worked for me when I was on the go, you know, busy with everyday to-do things, with running the girls to their activities, running to work, events, and things like that. So on the go, when my mind really couldn't be on this stuff, it worked. But now that I'm sitting here and can't really go anywhere, it's driving me nuts. So that's what we're going to organize. It may take a few days. I'm not going to push myself, but I do know that I need to get this together. Okay, so I wanted to show you what I did do with my nail items. Got this 3-drawer storage bin from Walmart for $14.98, so $15. and you saw what it looked like before. I had some extra bins that I ended up using. One thing I'll say is I don't love this system, but it's better than what I had, and I'm just going to walk you through it. I don't love it. I'm okay with it right now, and it is compact, so it'll definitely fit in a little nook in my office. So up here I have my polish remover, my pure acetones. I do gel polish, but I do have the nail dry spray just in case I'm doing little hands or something, and alcohol, some rhinestones that wouldn't fit in the drawers down there, so I just place them in here. My cotton balls, what would fit up here, and I'm just sitting them up here because I have nowhere else for those to go. In the top drawer, excuse me, I stuffed what I could with some type of system in here. In the back are my false nails, my nail overlays, and I keep the extra that I'm not using in the bags. I try to pull out the ones that don't fit. My cuticle oil is also back there. I have foot masks that are also in the back. I like to use these Curad alcohol prep pads when I am prepping my nails. So whenever I see them, at one time it was even hard to get these. So I use quite a bit of these for nails and just other items, other purposes here at home. But I try to just already have some in here because I do change out my nails often. Some other nail prep items are in here for my manicures. If I am going to apply acrylic to any one of my nails, those things are in here. Nail clippers, nail brushes, and this is what I keep my nails in. These are the nails out of there that fit my nail beds, so I have just loosely numbered the nail container, the nail slot, so that I can easily go to the nail that will fit my nail beds, and just some other nail prep things in here that are in the front. So and this is something new that I bought for at-home pedicures, if this is something that I'm going to do. So I just kept it in the front drawer, the top drawer. In the second drawer is where I am keeping my gel polishes in here because this is the only way they would fit. Ideally, I would like a larger space to where they're not stacked on top of one another, but I mean, like I said, right now this works. So I keep all of my polishes. My nail art foil glue is in here also, although it's not just, you know, a polish. And then I have some extra top coat that I'm keeping in here, and since I was doing nail polishes, I have this little container, or this oblong container that I already had, and I just put my nail foils in here, glitters, and some other nail art type things in there. And then at the bottom I have my nail cure, my electric file, and some extra file bits, and the cords, and an extension cord. And that's all that I put in there. I have extra
cotton balls. I'm just going to put these in a clear container and keep them in my bathroom. And another space that I don't have for this is a pair of new pedicure socks. Have not used those, and some Healthy Feet by O'Keeffe's, and just some foot files. I don't know if I'll keep these on here in my office, but at least they're not all thrown in a tote randomly. So the excess stuff that I did have, I threw away quite a bit, and I have extra nails that I am not going to use. I may just donate those. Do you think that that's something that I could donate to a Goodwill? And here's some little nail beads. I don't know where I got these from. Maybe Dollar Tree a while ago. I don't use them, and this is acrylic that I've had for a very, very long time that I picked up from Sally Beauty when I was trying out. So I am going to probably toss these in the trash along with the sculpting liquid that I don't think I got this from Sally. I think this came from, is it Cosmo Prof? It's pretty old. I've had it for a while, and I have another liquid that I use. So these are going to go in the trash, and the extra nails that I'm not going to use, I'm going to also probably just give those to Goodwill. But that's my quick system to get all of those things out of the storage bin and those totes. Friends, thank you so much for tuning into this video. I'm going to go ahead and call the vlog here. I didn't think that I was going to be able to get my nail items out of all of the chaos that they were in into the storage unit tonight, all in one day. I guess I didn't have that much that I thought I did, but it worked out. So that was my one main task for the day. Well, I guess I can add two, because I washed my bedding, and I now need to make my bed. So that's going to be enough energy in me to get that done and call it an evening. I hope that you're doing well, and I thank you for tuning into this very short and quick vlog. I look forward to vlogging more here on A Savvy Life and connecting with you. I thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like this video and leave me a comment down below. Again, stay well, be healthy, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.